Today, this is a very unflattering position, but I wanted to show you real quick how I use my Sonoline B Doppler. I have only successfully found the baby twice so far. The first time I was 9 weeks, 2 days, and I used the 2 megahertz probe and found it with that for about 3 seconds. I lost it. I found it for about 3 more seconds. And then yesterday, I was using the same Doppler, but with the 3 megahertz probe, and I picked it up with the 3 megahertz instead of the 2 megahertz. So today I'm going to try the 3 megahertz to start out with and see if I can find the baby. I know a lot of you have questions on what it sounds like, how do you find it, and honestly it's different for every woman. I am 9 weeks, 4 days pregnant today, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. It took me about 10 minutes yesterday, so this video will probably be edited because I'm not going to let you sit here and watch me search for 10 minutes. So let's get the Doppler turned on. This is what it looks like here. And who knows, maybe I'll get lucky and find it a little quicker today. Oh, and I do have pillows underneath me to help prop my abdomen up. It seems to help when I put pillows. And another thing too, you do have veins on both sides of your abdomen. And when you have the Doppler over them, it makes a swishing noise. Let me see if I can find them. I don't know if you can hear that very well, but it makes a swishing noise mixed in with a windstorm sound, which is very strange. So I've actually been finding baby right around this point where my Doppler is at right now, or where the probe is at. Usually the heartbeat is somewhere right around that swishing noise. But you do have to do like one spot at a time and then angle your probe all directions. So like point it down, try sideways, you know, left and right. While you're still in that same spot, you need to point every direction just so you don't miss baby. So I'm going to be quiet now though and see if I can focus on finding the baby. Put some more aloe vera gel on the other side of my belly. And then wipe your hands off with the paper towel. This all dry over there. Wait. I can hear the baby. I lost it. It's mixed in. You hear it mixed in the background? Mm-hmm. Alright, so to finish up this video, as you can see, I am not at all skinny. I am a plus size mama, and there are really not that many people on YouTube that have put up videos of Dopplers that are overweight. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to be brave. I know I'm going to deal with some idiots commenting on my fatness, but I decided I would go ahead and film the Doppler experience for an overweight woman. And so there you have it. This time this is the third day that I've heard the baby's heartbeat, and it was mixed in with the sound of, I don't know if it's the placenta, one of my veins or arteries in my abdomen, I'm not sure. But you could still hear it clearly through the sound of whatever that was. Also, the readout was not showing on the display. It was not showing properly, so just totally ignore that number. The 2 times that I've heard the heartbeat, yesterday and day before, it's so faint that the readout was not even working anyway. It wasn't even showing a number on the display. So I don't think the display is really that accurate until you get a really good, strong heartbeat. So I wouldn't worry if you cannot find, or I mean if the readout doesn't show a number on the display. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope that I have shown you how to try to use your Doppler. I know it's not going to work for everybody the same, but at the beginning of the video where I showed where I was putting the Doppler, that's basically where I was when I found the baby's heartbeat. Really far to the left and just above my pubic line. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.